Mite standard color, wide angle. Oh, well, that didn't work. Howdy y'all, Country Fried Gamer 150 here, and welcome back. I know it's been a while since I posted a video, but we are back and we're going to be featuring some fireworks with my new Canon Rebel T7. I'm still learning the features of this camera, and so we're going to be testing some different like color features, color saturation, sharpness, that kind of thing. Also, I have a wide angle lens that I got an accessory kit for the camera. It was a separate purchase, but so we're going to be testing that. Now I know from other people who have this camera have complained about the autofocus feature. The autofocus feature does work, however, it's very noisy and it's slow. So they recommend, focusing it yourself during a video, or focusing it before you start recording, and then have everything in focus at that point. But if you want me to make a video about this camera specifically and everything that I got in the accessory kit, please leave a comment below or leave a like on the video. There's no 100% guarantee that all these fireworks are going to be in this video. I'm going to try my best to capture everything. Like I said, this is a new camera to me, and so it's going to be a totally different recording experience for me aside from using my phone. But the first thing that we're going to have here is these Mite's mortar kit. This is just little small mortars. We have crackling peony, multicolor peony, white strobe, and then the next one is the soda pop fountains, which the flavor correlates with the color. Cherry would be red, lemon lime green, orange orange, and grape purple. We also have 36 large happy planets. This is 36 shots of assorted florals and crackles. We're also going to be setting them off and testing this remote firing system that I got off of Walmart.com. It's pretty cheap, and then I got these igniters to go with it. We have next up would be pint-sized Powerhouse. Says packs a punch of alternating effects, dazzling red tail with silver glitter and red stars, brilliant blue tail with silver glitter and blue stars. And then we have 9 better mates, silver comet tail, break open with red, green, and yellow stars of crackling. Then to finish it off, we have red, white, and boom, red, white, and blue chrysanthemums, alternate and finish with finale volley. I'm also planning on possibly adding 2 of those at the end as like a finale. Try to set them off at the same time with the remote firing system, see how that goes. But thank you all for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you have a wonderful Memorial Day. Take care and God bless. There'll be more videos coming, so stay tuned. Mite's mortar kit. 3, 2, 1. Mite standard color, wide angle. Mite's less color. Mite's wide angle, less color. Mite's more color. Mite's wide angle, more color. Mite's standard color, wide angle. Oh, well, that didn't work. Soda pop cherry fountain. Soda pop fountains. Soda pop orange fountain. Soda pop grape fountain. Happy planets in 3, 2, 1. Pint-sized Powerhouse. 3, 2, 1. Gunner mates in 3, 2, 1. Red, white, and boom. 3, 2, 1. Red, white, and 2, red, white, and boom.